Huh. You're smaller than I thought. They're a hard man to find. I had to come all the way from
Where?
the gym.
How does mail go to the... Never mind.
You're the microwave chef. I've been looking for you. What the fuck?
Technically, I'm not a chef. I never got to that position. I was a cook. They never get me to the chef position.
so I
Because
just wanted
the
to-
chef is like the leadership position.
And there goes your memories again. Alright. Now if you could actually listen to me, I know what happened with your memories. And
I just want to hold you.
no you don't. What? Take this. You're gonna need them.
How did you know I needed them?
You were eating boiling ramen with your fingers and Doesn't kitchen tools restore your memory? The way you're looking at me is kind of different now, and I don't feel like a different person. Hey, smiling, that's good, right? I know cooks are like the apex predators of tomatoes, but
My kitchen.
oh god, I shouldn't have given you those. You're trying to stab me! The alley! Oh, last year. You saw it. You saw her. Dokibird. We grew up in the same field together. Look, I don't have much time left. She found her purpose. I just kept training. And why are you looking at me like that? I don't like that look on your face. Take that look off your face. Okay, maybe that time. I'll get back later.